Top 10 high schools in the Philippines. So many are asking me, Coach, what are the top 10 high schools here in the Philippines? So, that is the topic we'll be discussing for today. I am Engineer Morgan Sai, your coach ng Bayan. Coming in at number 10 is Philippine High School for the Arts. The Philippine High School for the Arts is a public secular non-profit institution established to provide and implement a general secondary level program, combined with a special curriculum oriented to the arts and geared to the early recognition and development of talented and exceptionally gifted children in the arts, thus providing a continuing source of excellent artists and leaders in the preservation of the Filipino heritage and culture. Under Executive Order 420, PHSA is attached agency to the Department of Education in consultation with the Cultural Center of the Philippines for policy program implementation with special emphasis on subjects pertaining to the arts, with in view of preparing its students for a career in the arts. It was founded in June 11, 1977. Its address is in Nation Arts Center, Mount Makiling, Los Baños. Coming in at number 9 is Colegio San Agustin, Makati. Colegio San Agustin, Makati is a leading Catholic integrated basic education school that provides young men and women high-quality education in the Augustinian tradition. The institution is a diverse school community that welcomes local and international students from a wide range of backgrounds. The unique presence of international students offers opportunities for global citizenship, mutual understanding, and lifelong friendship. The nurturing, supportive, and safe community situated in a beautiful natural environment is committed to enhance learning through vibrant campus life. Aside from a rich academic experience, learners have varied opportunities to hone their God-given talents and interests through the school's comprehensive program in sports and performing arts. Thus, true to school's motto, Virtue and Science. It was founded in July 7, 1969. It's located at Palm Avenue, Makati, Metro Manila. Coming in at number 8 is the Lourdes School of Mandaluyong. Lourdes School of Mandaluyong is an exclusive school for boys established in 1959 and has ever since been administered by Capuchin Franciscan friars. LSM provides quality, relevant, and authentic Catholic education in academic excellence and sterling character towards forming noble Christian gentlemen in an ongoing journey to ever become more like Christ and who live meaningfully as brothers to all. Equipped with up-to-date facilities, Lourdes School of Mandaluyong is accredited Level 2 by the Philippine Accrediting Association of Schools, Colleges, and Universities, or DIPA-ASCU, and provides a progressive K-12 program designed for the integral development of students towards lives of holiness, service to fellows, and brilliance in skills. It was founded in 1959. It's located at Barangay St. Francis Street Corner, Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong. Coming in at number 7 is the Multiple Intelligence International School. The Multiple Intelligence International School is a progressive international school in Quezon City, Metro Manila, Philippines that offers programs from Prep K to 12. MI is one of the leading schools in the Philippines. MIIS is a dynamic school community that embodies the ideals of internationalism, interculturalism, and embraces the positive diversity of its populace. It is the first educational institution in the Philippines that has based its approach on the multiple intelligence framework of Harvard-based cognitive psychologist Howard Gardner. MIIS follows the multiple intelligences framework by Dr. Howard Gardner. Child's Place is the preschool department of MIIS that caters to the preschool child from 2 to 5 years. The Multiple Intelligence International School, grades 1 to 8, was founded to serve lower and middle school students. MIIS Upper School, grades 9 to 12, was founded in 2007. The whole school was founded in 1996, located at 4J Escaler, Quezon City, Metro Manila. Coming in at number 6 is Miriam College Higher Education Unit. Miriam College is a non-stock, non-profit Filipino Catholic educational institution for girls and young women in Quezon City, Philippines. It offers academic programs from pre-elementary to postgraduate and adult education levels that develop the learning and caring competencies of students and are enriched by a wide range of national, regional, and international linkages. Miriam College High School, or MCHS, is known for its holistic college preparatory program. They take pride in a student-centered curriculum marked by academic excellence. Their girls are academically prepared to pursue their chosen career tracks and passions in attaining their life goals. At the high school, they teach students to be resilient, independent, innovative, and creative, making sure that they carry with them values nurtured by good Christian and Catholic education. They care about the environment, strong in living out truth and justice, are morally upright, have unquestionable integrity, and they have fulfillment in helping and empowering the oppressed and marginalized sectors of society. Much like Miriam of Nazareth, this school was founded in 1926 and can be located at the Katipunan Avenue in Quezon City, Metro Manila. And of course, they have several campuses from the urban and the main Loyola Heights, Quezon City, and they have satellites too in Nuvali, Canlubang, Calamba, located in Laguna. Coming in at number 5 would be the Ateneo de Manila University. The Ateneo de Manila University is a private research, basic, and higher education institution along the historic Katipunan Avenue in Quezon City, Philippines. Founded in 1859 as Escuela Municipal de Manila, the school was founded and is run by the Society of Jesus and is the second oldest Jesuit-administered institution of higher learning in Asia Pacific. Considered one of the top universities in the Philippines, the university provides primary and secondary education as well as undergraduate and graduate instruction in the humanities, social sciences, natural sciences, and engineering, and business. It offers professional degrees through the Graduate School of Business, the School of Government, the School of Medicine and Public Health, and the Ateneo Law School. Known for its Jesuit liberal arts tradition, the humanities are a key feature of Ateneo education at all levels of study. This is especially pronounced in the undergraduate level as the core curriculum. So they also have Ateneo High School, which is why they are part of the list. They were founded in December 10, 1859, located at Katipunan Avenue, Quezon City, Metro Manila, Philippines. And number 4 would be International School Manila. The International School Manila is a private, non-profit, non-sectarian international school located in Bonifacio Global City, Taguig, Metro Manila, Philippines. Founded in 1920 as the American School by a group of American and British parents living in Manila. It adopted its present name in 1970. International School Manila is one of 6 members of the Interscholastic Association of Southeast Asian Schools. The ISM community is a melting pot of cultures from around the globe. The diversity promotes an environment of appreciation, recognition, and interaction, which breaks the barriers of race, religion, and tradition. In every classroom at ISM, there are perhaps a dozen nationalities represented. It was founded in 1920. Address is University Parkway, Taguig, Metro Manila. Coming in at number 3 would be Southville International School and Colleges. Southville International Schools and Colleges was founded in 1990 as Southville International School. The school started by offering preschool at its Elizalde campus and eventually expanded to offer primary school, secondary school, international baccalaureate diploma program, and college degree courses. The school has several campuses. The Elizalde campus, which offers nursery to preparatory, the Munich campus, which houses nursery to grade 5 students, Luxembourg campus, which houses grade 6 to grade 12 students, and the college students, and the Tropical campus, which houses the Scholastic Reading Center and the International Baccalaureate, the Capital Market and Entrepreneurship Center, the Taylor Training Center, and other function rooms. It was founded in 1990 and can be located at 1281 Tropical Avenue, corner Luxembourg Street, BF Homes International, Las Piñas City. And coming in at number 2 is the British School Manila, or BSM. The British School Manila is a private, non-profit international school in the Philippines. The school provides British education for children ages 3 to 18, Following an adapted form of a British curriculum and the IB diploma, BSM students are prepared for end-of-key stage tests in primary GCSEs at 16, the IB diploma at 18, and for life beyond school and university. BSM teaches an adapted form of the National Curriculum of England in EYFS and years 1 to 9. This is followed in years 10 and 11 with a range of Edexcel and Cambridge IGCSE courses. In year 12 and 13, students enter the IB Diploma program. The school also offers a service learning program and more than 200 after-school activities, catering for different student interests to explore and develop sporting, creative, academic, and artistic interests. It was founded in 1976 and is located at the University Park, 36th Street, Taguig, Metro Manila. And coming in at number 1. So drum roll please, because number 1 is also just so happens to be where the school I also finished and graduated my high school as well. So this list was developed by our researchers and in no way biased because I went to this school. So the number 1 high school in the Philippines would be Xavier School. Xavier School is a private Catholic college preparatory school run by the Philippine province of the Society of Jesus. Its main campus is at 64 Xavier Street Hill, San Juan, Metro Manila, Philippines. It has a southern satellite campus along West Conservation Avenue in Nuvali, Canlubang, Calamba, Laguna, mainly aimed to serve financially challenged students. It is a K-12 school with a curriculum that includes a mandatory Chinese language program. It also offers an optional international baccalaureate program in grades 11 and 12 to interested students. Founded and managed by the Society of Jesus, the school is a K-12 school offering a 3-level curriculum: early education, grade school, and high school. Xavier School is also an IB World School authorized to offer the International Baccalaureate, a diploma program, a rigorous and innovative academic program recognized by universities worldwide. It was founded in December 15, 1955. It is located in 64 Xavier Street, San Juan, Metro Manila. So that's the top high schools in the Philippines. So I hope this can serve as a good guide for your future children when you're looking for a school for them. So once again, please like, share, and subscribe so you can get more up-to-date and educational information and facts here in the Philippines from none other than the Ilocano Defenders. Once again, I am Engineer Morgan Sai, your coach ng Bayan.